One of the features of hybrid virtual proctoring that was built in direct response to input from schools is what we call the resource sharing model. What schools were telling us was that there are times that faculty members are available and times that they're not available. There may be times that testing center employees are available and times that they're not available. So what they needed was sort of a cascading waterfall based on availability of who could be that human from the institution to do the proctoring. So you might imagine the resource sharing model at a particular school like this triangle, with the top part of the triangle, or the pyramid rather, being the instructor. So if that instructor himself or herself is available, then that's the person that's watching the session. If that instructor is not available, then perhaps it's one of the testing center employees from that institution. If they are all not available, then one of the great things about Smarter Proctoring is we already have an existing database of hundreds of testing centers across the country, and they may be logged in so that their human resources can actually be the ones doing the human being the proctor. And then coming next year in 2022, Smarter Proctoring is going to be providing some of its own humans to serve as proctors. They're now being hired and they're being trained now. In fact, just this last week, I think we hired 14 persons to serve as proctors that are now being trained on the system, as well as being trained how to be a human proctor. And of course, below all of that sits the AI of automated proctoring, being the foundational engine that's doing the flagging of the multiple faces and the voices and all of those things, so that the human who then is observing it can drill in to see what that flag is and if indeed it is an instance of potential academic misconduct.